Welcome back to Tong Hacks channel. In this video, I will show you how to create new Google Sheets. You just have to do it in 3 simple steps. First, you need to open Google Sheets in your iPhone. Make sure that you're already signed into your account. Next, click the plus symbol on the bottom right corner of the screen, the one that's so colorful. And last, give a title to this file. For example, I'm going to name this Training Attendance September and create. And we're done. It is so simple. You don't have to do it on your computer. You just have to do it in your iPhone so you can start your spreadsheet project practically everywhere as long as you have internet connection. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions or if you have something to share about Google Sheets, just drop your thoughts in the comment section and I will try to respond to it. And if you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and I'll see you. Bye bye.